Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. In today's video, I will discuss top 3 trending education technology in 2022. So if you want to know this trend, keep watching the video till the end without skipping. So let's start this video. Now at first look at the introduction of education technology trends. So the technology is rapidly changing the way we live and interact. It is changing the face of every field and every sector in the best way possible. But the field of education is lagging in terms of technology adoption, considering the fact that education is something that can change the world in positive way. The education technology can help to eliminate current barriers of providing quality education to all across the world. Education technology will provide a chance to widen the imagination of the students and help them grasp better the education sector and entities such as students, teachers, management, parents, etc. will benefit a lot from the latest upcoming education trends in education technology. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So, let's see the top 3 trending education technology. Number 1. Lifelong education. The pandemic has influenced many people to take up education once again as a way to pass time as well as learn something new with the help of the internet. There has been a 27% growth in the number of people returning to education, and moreover with an increased number of 54% jobs wanting a solid educational background for any industry. So it is the high time for individuals seeking a job position in a company to be highly educated in versatile backgrounds and fields. Number 2. Online education. Another new trend in education is online education. Online education, which includes online courses and online examinations, are slowly and surely becoming popular due to the interest shown by the working professionals to learn new things and expand their knowledge about technology. In this year, we can see a considerable growth in online education and its aligned services. And upcoming features in digital or online education are A. Blended learning, B. Automatic grading, C. Digital textbooks. So let's discuss these topics. A. Blended learning. It is a combination of traditional learning methods and online educational material is called as blended learning, as both of these methods of learning have some strengths and weakness. B. Automatic grading. Automatic grading is an artificial intelligence powered way of grading tests, homework, assignment, quizzes, etc. submitted by the students. Automation grading is a flexible and efficient way of grading students, which also helps to reduce the manual efforts and workload of the teachers. C. Digital textbooks. It is most important upcoming feature in education. Digital textbooks are accessible to the learners at any time from anywhere, and students are able to easily highlight any sections in these textbooks while reading, as also search the meaning of terms, listen to the audio translation, adjust font and light, etc. C. Personalized learning. Personalized learning using technology is the only way which would help create syllabus or learning activities after considering every student's strong and weak areas. So this is very helpful for students. Some advantages of personalized learning are: personalized learning can help students to learn, understand topics as per individual speed. It can be done from any location and it is classroom independent. So friends, I hope you understand top 3 education technology in 2022. So friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and share this video. And if you have any question, let me know here in the comment section below.